the things they need and want. Suppose Alfonso has $10 spending money each week that he can allocate between bus ticket or meeting to work and the burgers that he ate for lunch. So, ano siya ang drop. Tapos, ano yung ako siya i-solving mo.
Wag yan ang kayo siya.
So, para makuha na ito siya, O. So, sa letter E, so, ano siya, price, tapos, times, eating. So, $2 times 5. Kami siya sa letter E. Kani ang $2 times 5 equals $10. So, ang kaning $10 is bali ang budget ni Alfonso. Tapos, ang $2 niya is para sa burger. Tapos, ang sa ticket din is 50 cents. So, pag i-times na rin mo siya, so, 0 na siya. Kung palit siya o pa ng burgers na lahat daw. So, wala siya mapalit kay. Yung budget is on the month ng $10. So, di na po tayo sabi. So, same na gapon siya. Paon yung $2 tapos times 4 equals $8. Yan lang siya. Kung sa $8 is i-color mo siya 2 divide 50 cents. Tapos, ang kaning 2 is ibali, bigay sa 8, mo lang siya kuhaan. Tapos, ang ano na rin is 2 divide 0.50 cents is equal 4. Yan na lang yun siya 8 times, tapos i-divide na yung sunod is 2 times 3 equals 6. Tapos, ibalik-balik na gapon niyo siya, i-divide gapon niyo siya 2. I did guys 4 din siya dito 4 sa letter C. Balik na mo siya 0.50 cents. 4 divide by 0 equals 8. Then sa D, these dollars iyang burgers. Ibalik kung mapalit siya og kalima ibalik. Karon nanana sunod-sunod kada adlaw. So iyang budget kay ko naman $10. So kung palit siya ng mga burgers kada adlaw, so dili na siya kapalit og bus ticket. Tapos dili na po sa B, 2 times 4 equals 8. Tapos i-divide na po dahil mo siya og 0.50 equals niya siya kanang 4. Magbalik-balik lang na siya kay kung ano man mo siya i-times din mo siya tapos kung mo man mo din i-divide. Then pag mo man siya sa 20, kung dili siya mo palit, is makapalit pa siya og kanang bus ticket.
Good afternoon, my name is Paulina. My topic is the production possibilities pointer of social choice. Yeah, ang isang production possibilities point here. PPF helps explain the discrimination both individuals and social choice in both chains of due to scarcity. For example, if a society desire to goods like healthcare and education, the PPF show the maximum possible production of one good given the production of other. This illustrates the trends of limitation society faced with its resources such as labor, land, and capital. So, money ang liwan sa katong healthcare versus healthcare of education. Yeah. So, ang kining point A is wala gitawag na healthcare kanang point A. Ang F is education. Ang kining B is dito ni siya sa B is most go to healthcare. Wala ang B is healthcare. At the D is most to resources go to education. Ang kining D of F mo na din siya ng education. Ang sa kining C to B is na naakuha na siya sa year talan. The shape of the PPF and the principle of price opportunity cost.
Wait, sample.
So, ang kuanday, at one extreme, a point where all resources are developed to healthcare and none to education, diverting resources at the education. Ang F is where all resources are committed to education, moving resources back to healthcare. Result is large loss education with minimal gains. Maunin siya na ang kinibitong ang kining D is kining D is nibalik siya sa healthcare. Diba? Ibalik siya sa D. Pero ang gipangita, ang gipuan yun ani is ang kaning R. But R does not inefficient. Ang kwan, ang kasi, diba, ay naman ni siya to productive efficiency and
allocative efficiency. Dahil siya duha kaming name. Ang kining productive efficiency occurs when it's possible to produce more of one good without reducing production of another. Given available resources and technology, all points on the production possibilities such A, B, C, D, and F reflect production efficiency. Moving between these points involves change of between healthcare and education. Yeah, like point R are productively efficient and wasteful because more of both goods can be produced. For example, sa C is both healthcare. Ang C is both healthcare ay point C is both healthcare. Namo na siya giba na H2. Okay, ay nagit siya sa natanong sa C ang H2 niya. And education is A2. Walang nakapan din siya 3A. Education A2 are the higher than at point 3. Point R. The mix of goods produce healthcare and versus education is represented by right from the organ to point yang active efficiency is one, while productive efficiency is necessary for allocative means that the society's economic can be produced efficiency but not allocative efficient. For example, if ang economy is producing a mass of goods such the consumer. If a consumer willing to pay the PPA comparative advantage. Differ ay kwan. A country decisions to produce or buy a good often depends on the cost producing if versus importing if the core o country produce possibilities from the PPF reflects the trends of between goods when the slope indicating the opportunity cost of producing one good in terms of another. Different countries have different opportunity costs due to the factors like climate, technology, or skills. For example, Brazil has a lower opportunity cost for producing sugarcane compared to wheat. Namuna siya, nagbanat siya na ang kining opportunity cost rate of the term of sugarcane is lower than USA than the Brazil. Muna ang kini, ikuanan kay ang kini, kuan mo sa USA, kini is sa Brazil. Muna kuan siya is sugarcane is lower in the USA is the, kini siya ibasihan. Ang sa Brazil is mas taas ang sugarcane niya kontra sa USA. Kuan siya sa lower kay siya sa Brazil ang sa USA. Comparative advantage is with a Brazil has a comparative advantage in sugarcane. Pero both Japan siya trades allow countries to maximize produce where opportunity costs are lowest benefits. Pero both sila na makapan of benefits.